Hello, my name is Dawn Williams Boyd, and I have the honor to be president of African Americans for the Arts. Welcome to our exhibition entitled Black Men, Fathers, Brothers, Sons at Callanwolde Fine Arts Center here in Atlanta, Georgia. The mission of African Americans for the Arts, or AAFTA, is to be a united, proactive voice for cultural matters affecting the African American and diasporic African community, to provide the fine arts via educational programs and provide arts exposure activities for the general public in order to bring about a greater appreciation of the visual arts.
Hi, my name is Alan J. Lewis. I'm also known as the artist Algebra. The genre that I've chosen to paint in is realism, and my medium of choice is oil paint. As a child growing up, we kept an illustrated Bible in our living room. And as I look to this Bible for the inspiration for my art, I have noticed the lack of depiction of people of color. So I've made it my lifelong mission to depict people of color in the same masterful way that these classical master artists have.
Hello everyone, my name is Shellton, LaBron, Tremble, and I have 3 pieces here at Callanwolde Art Center. So the pieces I exhibited, they're called Man As. It's a depiction upon some of the aspects of what men do in our culture. If you notice the pieces are in graphite and colored pencil. And what they're doing is they're emphasizing different patterns from Africa, but the paintings and the drawings and illustrations are basically a duality of what man is.
This exhibition is dedicated to and will highlight the Black men who, even though they are in fact victims of America's hidden little secret, have survived the martyrdom of Martin, Malcolm, George, Ahmaud, Philando, Freddie, and countless others. The Black men depicted here represent the fathers, brothers, sons, uncles, nephews, cousins, friends, and lovers who have protected their families and participated in the education of their children. This exhibition is particularly dedicated to Daniel Hodges, a gifted and self-taught visual artist and a loving spiritual husband and father. Daniel went home to his reward in 2020. May he finally rest in peace. Thank you.